Yasmin, and welcome to my kitchen once again. Listen, first order of business. Take a look at this dress. I bought this beautiful pink dress 15 years ago in Texas when I first got out of the Navy in 2008, and it still fits me like it was still 2008. And I'm sharing this with you to say that and I thought about this earlier. Life successes is in our small daily habits. Whether you're trying to lose weight, maintain weight, if you're trying to save money or build relationships, whatever it is, it's in our small daily habits. And on top of that, who says that a chef has to be 300 pounds to be exceptional in the kitchen? Huh? All right, second order of business. Please hit the like button, especially if you're watching me on YouTube, because I want the video to circulate. Every week I post exceptional, and I do an exceptional nutrition education on this platform, and knowledge is power, and I really want this to spread. Now, as talented, as gifted as I am in the kitchen, success cannot happen for me without your help. Yeah. Now, I was thinking about this the other day too. There are tons of people on YouTube who focus on celebrity gossip and other things with millions of subscribers. But that's not who I am, right? That's not who I am. And I understand their growth, because for many of us, a lot of people like drama. But here I focus on empowering you to take care of your body and to eat better. So please take a moment to hit the like button. Yes, Monsieur, Dame, bonjour et bonsoir. Moi, le chef Yasmin et bienvenue. S'il vous plaît, si vous regardez sur YouTube, bon un pouce pour vidéo ça va circuler, d'accord? Now, today we are taking our taste buds to Italy, and we are making stuffed shells with Parmesan chicken, and for dessert, oh my God, we're making strawberry frozen yogurt, and we're going to wrap it up with a gorgeous Italian wine called Chianti Classico. All right, so let's go ahead and unpack here. We're going to be working today with zucchini and squash and tomate. We are going to be making a tomato sauce from scratch. Now, to my Haitian audience, sous someone qui fait attention ou bien ou fait diabète, sauce nan mamite, sauce et soupe nan mamite et fruit nan mamite, yo pas zanmi, parce que le wal nan magasin, OK, raison fait que yo arrêté sur étagère pour tout temps ça, yo pas exprès, c'est parce que yo gen un pile sodium avec préservatif. D'accord? Bon, to my American audience, folks, tomato sauce is we call it a mother sauce. It's a foundational sauce, and that means it's a sauce that you can use to make other things with it. Like, for example, you can make tomato sauce to make marinara sauce. You can use tomato sauce to make pizza sauce. And when it comes to, for example, my African friends, let me know if I'm wrong here. When you make jollof rice, pasta sauce, tomato sauce is one of the ingredients, yes? Okay, so this is a sauce that every home cook needs to know how to make. Now, if you are someone with diabetes, high blood pressure, canned soups, canned sauces, they're natural friends. And here's why. Because when you go into the grocery store and you step into that aisle, the pasta aisle, and you see a whole laundry list of pasta sauces, the reason why they are able to stay on the shelf for that long without really never expiring is because they are filled with sodium and preservatives. Yeah? So fresh is better. Always. All right, so I'm going to teach you how to make this sauce today, and I promise you will never go back to buying canned sauces in the store again. Now, I want to take Food Lion and Grain International Market. It's always a pleasure shopping with you. I'm going to put the rest of these things away, and we will be right back. Monsieur, dame, regardez là.